Hi, I'm Dr. Paige, and this is my assistant Ernest. Today we want to dispel a myth of something that I get asked a lot with being an animal chiropractor. Everybody watches the Instagrams and the YouTubes and the TikTok, and they come in talking about how the animal, when they get adjusted, they make this crazy popping sound. Well, Ernest and I today are going to dispel that myth. Ernie, you ready to get adjusted in front of everybody? Okay, let's see. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? No? Guess what? They don't have the gas in their joints like we do. So you didn't hear anything. And those videos that you watch, you're not going to really hear anything on those videos either. It's just piped in. Sorry to dispel the myth.